My name is Igor, and I'm with you today. We are doing an overview of PLC Secure Box. Here is our box. All attendees of the Prague event got such boxes. It is time to activate the device. Let's unpack it first. Let's open the packaging. There is everything inside we need to make the device work and mint coins. Here is the box. Here are the instructions. PLC Secure Box, a battery charger or a power supply unit, a cable to connect the PLC Secure Box to our router. In order to activate and configure the box correctly, you need to have a camera on your smartphone. The smartphone can work on any operating system, iOS or Android, it doesn't matter. But you need a camera to scan the QR code located on the back of the PLC Secure Box. Another important condition for activating the box is that the box and your smartphone should be connected in one segment of the internet. So the power supply unit is included. We just need to connect the attaching plug to the box. Here is a 12-volt corresponding socket, as we can see. At one touch, our box is connected to the power supply and the green indicator lights up. It signals that the box is connected to electricity and working. Now, you need to connect the box to the router. Insert the remaining jack plug into the PLC Secure Box and wait for the A status indicator to stop flashing. Now the box is checking the possibility to connect to the internet. That is, it is trying to access the internet. As soon as the status A indicator stops flashing and becomes steady green, the box can be configured and activated. So, the box has connected to the internet. The status A indicator is not flashing, and the steady green light is on. Status B is lit up red. What does it mean? It means that the box is connected to the internet. It also means that the box doesn't have a wallet yet, and you need to import one. We have gone through all the stages of unpacking and connection, and the most exciting part is ahead. That is, the box activation and configuration. To do this, you need a mobile phone with the PLC Wallet application installed. In the application menu, choose the PLC Secure Box configuration button. A QR code scanner appears, and you need to point it at the QR code located on the back of the PLC Secure Box. With a simple move, you scan the code to the PLC Secure Box. A message appears on the phone saying that you need to enter your login and password, as you have not previously got authorization in the application. This is the login and password from your PLATINCOIN account. Enter them and see the welcome message. We are also asked to confirm your personal wallet when activating it. I can already see that this is really my account. The app asks if I want to activate the box or not. This is the most coveted button responsible for activating the box. Just one touch, and after a few seconds you see a message. Congratulations, your box is successfully activated. It is important to keep in mind that activation isn't instantaneous. You just have to wait a little bit. After you have activated your PLC Secure Box, you need to wait another 10-15 minutes, and only then you can go to the next procedure. Import your wallet. You will need another small thing, a pin for the SIM card tray. I'm going to use one, and you can use any thin object, a pin, a pen or a pencil, anything. You need to press the key with this thin object and hold it for 5-7 seconds. In case you need to get additional clarifications, you should keep the instructions close at hand. That's what I do. This will save time and help to prepare for each step in advance. I have read the instructions before shooting this video, so I remember what to do. And now I'm launching the PLC wallet. Next, I click the button on the PLC Secure Box configuration menu. The scanner starts up. I scan the QR code on the box panel, and this is the picture I see. As we can see, there is the IP address of the box, its serial number, and 2 blank fields. The first field is the current wallet, which is imported into the box. It is empty now. The second field is the current IP address of the node to which the PLC Secure Box gets connected for minting. Now, in order for minting to be successful, you need to complete the configuration procedure. The wallet that I have in my phone now needs to be imported into the PLC Secure Box. To do this, I enter in the field the IP address that I need to specify to connect the box with the node. It is in the instructions. So, I enter the address as in the instructions, and now I need to put the box into the configuration mode. Now I'm clicking the key button, and as long as I keep it pressed, the box is in the configuration mode. I need to create a current wallet and import it into the box. To do this, I press the Send button. Congratulations! Your box is successfully configured. And this is the best message the owner of a PLC Secure Box can get. Dear friends, we have now fully configured the PLC Secure Box. And it is now minting coins. Now you can already observe the minting process in the Block Explorer. There is a computer here where you can track all minting transactions each box does. Simply type in the address of your PLC wallet in the Block Explorer and see how minting takes place. Okay, folks, we've successfully configured the box, and our video meeting is now over.